Hey everyone, it's Travis again from Dreams TCG and Collectibles. Just another pack opening video for today. If you guys were here and seen the video yesterday, we pulled this beauty out of Destined Rivals. Not too bad a shape, a little bottom heavy here, but all in all, can't complain. So I'm gonna keep it going with 2 more packs of Destined, and we'll see what we get from here. Enjoy. Great cardboard. There we go. Code card. All right, let's see what we can get today. Any hits? Well, not yet. We got one more pack for you guys today, and we'll see you again tomorrow. I'll be doing these until until we start running out of cards here, but shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, so just a little I guess while we're doing this, just a little about me there. Been into Pokemon since the 90s, pretty much when it first came out. Yes, I'm that old. Been collecting and trading ever since. Ah, shit, my bad. And been working towards getting this my own little business there started for the past couple of years, but you know, things happen, so. Yeah, so we'll be back tomorrow with another pack opening. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys then.